To create a 3D model from an image, you can import the 2D image as plane or reference. This process is better used when we want to model complex shapes, like the legs of this beetle. Start by adding a new plane to get some vertices to work with. Add a mirror modifier to the vertices and you are ready to go. Start by following the outer lines of the 2D image to get the shape you want. At this point, I messed up several times trying to fill the faces too soon. I had to guess the general shape of the 3D model first. For this one, adding vertices in the middle is how we can create a more realistic 3D model. Just select and shift the vertices along the Z-axis. This is pretty much everything. Now you can fill the faces in the most unprofessional way you want. Repeat the process for the other legs and add 1 or 2 levels of subdivision to the mesh. For the body of our beetle, we can model it directly using a cube mesh. Finally, we can use a sphere for the eyes. Shade it your own way and you're done. There's a lot of possible colors and texture variations, so let me know if you did the tutorial and share your own version of the Egyptian beetle. Thank you for watching.